Well, good evening, guys. It's just gorgeous out here. It's kind of your quintessential summer nights, and it's not even summer yet. Finn, Finn, out of there! You see, I thought that the string was going to solve that problem. I literally just turned the camera on to say that by putting these strings up on this bed, Finn has been doing really good. I tried it with a few beds, and I was gonna say he's been doing really good with not walking in the beds. It seems to really delineate the boundaries for him. And yeah, now this. So anyways, I guess that's that. I think I'm still going to work with it. Aside from that one time, he seems to be doing pretty good. It's just kind of hard for him when there's not a lot of vegetation in the beds themselves yet. It's just kind of hard to understand, I think, if you're a dog, why you can't go walking down the middle. Hey. Aside from a little bit of fin tillage, these things are going pretty good. Oh, there's an onion. There you go, little onion. Anyways, I'm going to take advantage of this good weather and or this lower temperatures and get a couple more beds put in place. I have lots of stuff that needs to go in them, so this is a bit of the time-consuming part right now, but whatever. It is what it is. At least the weather's great. That said, we are apparently getting thunderstorms and possibly heavy rains tomorrow and whatnot, so I had a lot of other stuff around here I had to get done. Unfortunately, I did not spend much time in the garden or in the greenhouse, but in the coming few days that's definitely going to change. My to-do list is sort of down to a manageable amount again. For a little while there, I was just really focusing really just on getting this garden up to the point where I could get some of the stuff I had potted in the ground. And then, of course, I had a backlog of a couple weeks worth of work of other stuff that I've been neglecting to sort of catch up on that stuff and get that done. So now that that's all good, I think we can carry on as normal. Good boy. Good job. Yeah, you're getting it. Nope, out of there. Come on. Good. I know. You're in a play mood, and that doesn't work in the garden. That doesn't work in a garden. No. Okay. Good thing there's nothing in there yet. Yeah, there you go. Something that I ended up messing up on is I've tried orienting all these rows. These guys are all pointing at the 2 o'clock in the afternoon sun, and the other side over there is pointing at the 1 o'clock. It's kind of the hottest parts of our day. And some of the stuff that likes more shade, like lettuce when it starts getting warm, I'm going to try putting that sort of in a shade section behind some taller stuff. But what I didn't think of is when I skewed these plots on an angle, this may be 15 degrees or so, I'm not sure, I haven't worked it out, but I've lost, by skewing it, when I laid out down the edges every 36-inch bed and 18-inch walkway, I actually lost a couple inches off that. So my 36-inch beds turned into 34-inch beds. So next year I might fix that. Not that I think the 2 inches is really that big of a deal, but it just kind of doesn't really flow as nice with a 36-inch rake. But yeah, the little things that you miss, right? Okay, I know you're cute, but you gotta watch out. Thank you, good boy. At least you got that command down. Well guys, I guess by the glow of the lights from the greenhouse, we will say good night, and you guys take care. Hey, out of the potatoes. We'll say that too. Yes, somebody knows that when the rake goes away, it is playtime. And I think you can tell that we're wrapping it up. So anyways, you guys take care, stay healthy, get dirty, go have some fun. Really, there is no better or cleaner fun to be had than dirt under the fingernails. I seem to have awoken the beast within. Okay. Oh, you're filthy. All right, let's go. Come on, let's go. Yeah, let's go play. All right, guys, well, you have a great one. We'll talk to you later.